All right, so how to do the journal assignment for Unit 1? Well, first, open up a Word document. And then you're going to go to the PowerPoint and let's copy the word form, Control C. And first, write your name, the date, the day after my birthday, and intro to art. We'll just say 1B. And Control V, form. Then I'm going to use Google. Am I still recording? Yep, I am. So then we're going to use Google. Where is my Google? To look up the word form in art, the art definition. And the definition of form, let's see. So I already know from Unit 1 that a form is a 3D shape. That's all it is. A form is a 3D shape. So I'm going to go to Google Images, find a good example. I'm just going to use these lovely geometric forms here. Save image as form 1. Save. And now I'm going to right click on this sculpture. Save image as form 2. Now notice where you're saving it. And then I'm going to pull up my Word doc. A form is a 3D shape, has length, GTH, there we go, width, and depth. Blah, blah, blah. And here's some examples. I'm going to insert picture from this device. And my pictures are not there. So I got to go here. I could type in forms to find it quicker. Insert. There's one. Then space it out. Control V. Picture. This device. Form 2. Insert. And I can even move it around if I want. I would have to make this one smaller though. Here, to get them in there. And then I can go on, hit return, and go to the next word, which is sculpture in art. Sculpture. And you would use Google again to look up the definition. So that's basically how to do this. All right. So let me know if you have any questions.